Now I want you to imagine, what if you can click on one button and watch a very simple videos and bam, you can able to make money online. I mean, how cool is that? So in just a moment, I'll show you how you can watch simple videos just like this and this video right here, and you can start making money online just like all of these guys right here from different parts in the world. For example, this guy $5 US, 23 US, even up to $43. So when I scroll down below, you can see there are literally hundreds and thousands of people right here. They're able to make money online right here on this website by simply watching videos. So here is how much money you can earn from just watching one video. You can earn $3 US. So when you watch 5 videos, you can earn $15, and when you watch 20 videos, you earn $60, and when you watch 50 videos, you can earn $150. I mean, how cool is that? And all you need is just a mobile phone, and you don't need any experience at all. You can start making money online for absolutely free and from anywhere in the world. So please pay full attention, because in this video, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account, and I'll show you which videos that's gonna pay you the most amount of money. And on top of that, I'll show you step by step exactly how to do this so that you can actually start making money and get paid starting today. So right now, first of all, I want you to go on to google.com and I want you to search on this keyword, which is Twitch TV, and I want you to press on the search button, and you're able to find the first link right here, which is twitch.tv, and I want you to click on this link, and that's gonna take you to this page, as you can see here, where you can find different videos and different channels that you can watch for absolutely free. And most of these videos right here, they're actually gaming videos. So we are about to use video just like this one right here, and we're gonna make a lot of money online. As you can see here, $9 US, $5, $43, even up to hundreds of dollars, as you can see here. So right now, first of all, I want you to click on this browse button right on top, and then you're gonna come over to this page where you can browse on different categories of videos that you can watch on this website. So right now, when you scroll down below here, as you can see here, there are different categories of videos that you can watch, and I want you to focus on the Fortnite category, because this is one of the most popular gaming videos right now. So I want you to go and click on this category right here. That's gonna take you to this page, as you can see here, under the Fortnite category, and this one right here has 62 million followers. As you can see here, a lot of people, they have interest right on this category of videos. So right there, when you scroll down below, you can find all of these videos right here that we can actually watch and able to make money online. So right now, on the next step, I want you to go on to this website, which is ok.io. As you can see here, oke.io. So this is the website that we are going to be using to watch simple videos like this, and then we are able to make a lot of money online, as you can see here. So don't worry, because this is very simple, and I want to show you everything right on this video. So basically, this is how it works. Now I'm going to show you how you can sign up for a free account on this website, and then you're able to shorten a long URL link. So say for example, I click on copy, I copy this video link right here, and I'm going to go back to this website and I'll paste the Twitch TV link right here, and I'm just going to click on this button right here to shorten the link. So right here, as you can see here, this is the shortened links that's provided by this website. Whenever people click on this shortened link right here, I'm able to make money online, and depends on who click on my link, I'm able to earn different amount of money. Say for example, people from Germany, when they click on my link, I'm able to earn $4 US. If people from United States, they click on my link, I'm able to earn $4.10. So right now, when I scroll down below, you can see depending on what country they're coming from, and when they click on my link, I'm able to earn different amount of money. And that's exactly how all of these guys here from different parts of the world, they're able to make money online, even up to hundreds of dollars, by simply sharing a video link right there on this website. So as you can see here, there are over 373,000 users right now using this website and able to make money online, and they provide different payment options for you, including PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and also bank transfer. So right now, I want you to comment down below and let me know what's your preferred payment method in your country. So right now, I want to show you how to sign up for a free account. All you gotta do is just go and click on this sign up button right on top, and then you're gonna come over to this page where you can register for a new membership for absolutely free. So right here, just put in your username and your email address, confirm confirm your password right here and click on this one, I'm not a robot, and click on the submit button. As simple as that. So right now, as you can see here, you are able to log in into your brand new account. So right here on the statistics, which is the home page, you can see how many people actually click on your link and how much money you actually earn right here on this website. So because this is a brand new account and we haven't shortened any link, you can see here $0. So right now, I want to show you the real life example. Make sure you keep watching to see everything. So first of all, I want you to go back to Twitch TV and on the Fortnite category. So right here, we're gonna find 3 videos. So right here, I click on this video right here, the first video, the second video, and the third video right here. So right here, as you can see, this is the first video which I open up, and this is the second video, and this one is the third video. So right now, we're gonna go back to the first video, and once again, I want you to scroll down below and click on the share button. And I want you to copy this video URL link right here, click on copy. Then we're gonna go back to our dashboard right here inside our account, and then we're gonna paste this Twitch TV link right here, and I want you to click on shorten. So right there, as you can see here, this website will automatically help us to shorten this link into a much shorter OK link right here. So right now, I'll just go and click on copy, and then I want to give you this done for you script right here. This is actually my Fortnite video post, which is 100% free that you can copy and paste. So right here, I'll give an introduction about this game, and then I'll say something like this. For more Fortnite videos, click the link below to watch now, and this is where we're gonna paste the link of the 3 videos right here, so that whenever people click on our link, I was able to make money online. So say for example, under the first video, I'm gonna paste the shortened link right here. As you can see here, this is my first URL link, so that whenever people click on my link right here, and depends on which country they're coming from, I was able to earn different amount of money. So say for example, people from Norway, they click on my link, I was able to earn $3. So right now, we're gonna repeat the same thing. We're gonna go on to the second video right here. Just repeat the step, click on the share button and copy this long URL link, click on copy, and once again, we're gonna go back to our account, and then we're gonna delete this one right here, click on delete, and then we're gonna paste the new link right here of the second video and click on the shorten button. And once again, this website will automatically help us to shorten the link into this link right here, and I'll copy this link, click on copy, and I'll go back to this template right here and paste the second link right here on the video 2, as you can see here. So right now, if you are able to follow the step, and if you're still watching this video, I want you to like this video and comment down below and let me know you are a champion and you're still following and learning right now. And finally, we're gonna go on to the third video and scroll down below, click on the share button and copy this video link right here, and once again, go back to our account and delete everything and paste the new link of the third video, click on shorten, and finally, this is our third link right here, click on copy. And then we're gonna go back to our script and paste the third link right here, and that's everything you gotta do, right? That's all you need. I'm gonna give you the entire template right here that you can copy and paste, and then you just have to put in your 3 links right here. So finally, on the last step, I want you to go to this forum right here, which is forums.pcgamer.com, and this is a very famous and very popular forums that people discussing about different gamings, including Fortnite videos. And the reason why I love this forum is because this is 100% free and it's available worldwide, and there are a lot of discussion going on and people talking about gaming. So as you can see here, under the PC gaming discussion, under general gaming, there are over 22,000 messages right here and over 300 posts. So say for example, when I click on this link, that's gonna take you to this page, as you can see here, where you can find different posts and different people. They are writing a very simple post and getting a lot of views. As you can see here, 200 views, 26,000 views, 100 views, and there's so many opportunities right here on this website. So as you can see here, when I search on the Fortnite keyword, you can see there are a lot of people that are discussing and talking about this topic. There are a lot of demand right on this gaming videos category right now. As you can see here on the Twitch TV, over 62 million people, they are following the Fortnite videos. This forum right here is a very good place that you can copy and paste and share this template right here with other people inside the forum, and then whenever people click on your link and your link and your link right here, the more time people click on your link, and depending on what country they're coming from, you're able to make money online. That's exactly how all of this guys right. Before we leave this video, don't forget to subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, as you can see here on the screen. And also on the screen, you'll see there are 2 videos that I recommend you to watch now so that you can learn other ways to make money online. So just go ahead and click on the video right now and watch it on YouTube, and I'll see you on the next video.